Hi, do you want to learn two languages? Okay, I prepared some words here for you to at least have an idea of saying our languages, the Tagalog and Bicol. Okay, Tagalog is the national language of the Philippines. And another one is the Bicol. Bicol is a language spoken by the people in the Bicol region of the southern Luzon in the Philippines, where I was born in Camarines Sur. Okay, we'll start with this word. Okay, good morning. How can you say the good morning into Tagalog? Okay, when you say good morning in Tagalog, it is magandang umaga. Okay, good morning, magandang umaga in Tagalog. And in Bicol, marhay na aga. Okay, in Bicol, maray na aga. Okay, so when you say good morning in Tagalog, it is magandang umaga. And when you say in Bicol, maray na aga. Okay, another word is good evening. And the Tagalog word for good evening magandang gabi. Magandang gabi. And in Bicol, maray na banggi. Maray na banggi. Okay, so I'm going to repeat. When you say good evening in Tagalog, magandang gabi. And when you say it in Bicol, maray na banggi. Okay, so we already learned two words. Another one is the most popular is when you say thank you. Okay, thank you in Tagalog is salamat sa'yo. Salamat sa'yo. When you say it in Bicol, mabalos sa imo. Mabalos sa imo. Okay, when you say thank you in Tagalog, salamat sa iyo. And when you say it in Bicol, mabalos sa imo. Okay, another word is a lot. When you say a lot in Tagalog, marami. Okay, a lot in Tagalog is marami. And in Bicol, dakul. Dakul. Okay, so when you say a lot in Tagalog, it should be marami. And in Bicol language, it is dakul. Dakul. Okay. Now we go to another word. Beautiful. Okay. The word beautiful in Tagalog is maganda. Oh, maganda. In Bicol, magayon. Magayon in Bicol language. So I repeat, when you say beautiful to a person, you're going to say maganda. Maganda siya. And when you say beautiful in Tagalog, maganda siya. When you say it in Bicol, magayon siya. Okay. And the counterpart of beautiful for the guys is handsome. Handsome is in Tagalog, guapo. Guapo. And in Bicol, pugihon. Pugihon. Okay. In handsome Tagalog, guapo. And in Bicol language, pugihon. When you want to say to a person, so handsome, say, sobrang guapo. When you say it in Bicol, when you express this kind of word is sobrang pugihon. Okay. Now we go to another word. When you say welcome, okay, welcome. When you're going to welcome a person, when you're going to say it in Tagalog, it should be maligayang pagdating. Maligayang pagdating. And when you're going to say it in Bicol language, it is maugmang pag-abot. Maugmang pag-abot. Okay, I repeat. When we're going to welcome a person in Tagalog, maligayang pagdating. And in Bicol, maugmang pag-abot. And the last word that I'm going to teach you for today is I love you. Okay, when you say it in Tagalog, I love you to a person, you're going to say it, mahal kita. Mahal kita. And when you're going to say it in Tagalog, it is namumuktan taka. Namumuktan taka. Okay, again, when you say I love you to a person, you're going to say it in Tagalog, mahal kita. And we're going to say it in Bicol, namumuktan taka. Okay, see you next in my video. I'm going to teach you more words. Have a wonderful day. God bless. Bye.